we are at the New York State Fair, and we had a question today that a lot of people have been asking, so I want to make sure I answer it for you. The question is, can other people contribute to my 529 plan? And the answer is absolutely. That is one of the greatest things to do, to allow family and friends to be able to contribute. One of the ways you can do that is to go onto your account at nysaves.org, and there's a little icon there that says You Gift. Click on that and you'll create your own You Gift code that you can share with family and friends. You can do that through social media, and it's a great way to save for birthdays and holidays. And don't forget any special occasion. Thank you.
Investment returns are not guaranteed, and you could lose money by investing in the plan. Before you invest, consider whether your or the designated beneficiary's home state offers any state tax or other benefits that are only available for investments in such state's qualified tuition program. For more information about New York's 529 College Savings Program Direct Plan, obtain a program brochure and tuition savings agreement at www.nysaves.org or by calling 1-877-NY-SAVES. This includes investment objectives, risks, charges, expenses, and other information. You should read and consider them carefully before investing.